Okay, I'm gonna try and call him. Come on. There's no signal. There's no signal. Chad! Okay, you guys, there's no signal because I'm down in the basement. I can't get a hold of Chad. I think I'm trapped in here. Maybe if I just wait it out, maybe he'll come and find me. But I hope he comes soon though, because I really don't want to be trapped in here alone. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try and see if I can get out of here. So I just feel like I'm in prison. It looks exactly like a prison. There's a lock in here. I can't get this out, but this looks very familiar from like the living room. Okay, I'm gonna try 6446 since it worked last time. No, that didn't work. Gosh, I don't know what to do, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up right now. Give me good vibes, give me good luck that I can actually escape or Chad find me. So I'm just gonna look around to see if there's any way or any tools I can use to get out of here. Oh no. You guys, that's a triangle. I don't even wanna touch that. You know what that means? I can't even say that loudly. It's just really creeps me out. Now I'm really scared because the hacker's been using these triangles to lure us into places. Oh no, did the hacker lure me in here? Oh no, am I really trapped in here? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, make sure to keep an eye out. If you see anything at all, leave a comment down below to let me know, okay? Oh, did you guys see that? Up there. Up there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's really high up there. I'm gonna try and jump to see if I can grab it. Ugh, so close. That was really close. Okay, gotta back up. I got it. All right, let's see what this says. It says you have 24 hours to escape. Oh no. Was the person texting me? Was that Chad? Or did Chad become the hacker? Is he hacking me now? I don't even know what's going on anymore. Is Chad on my side anymore? What's gonna happen to me if I don't escape? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm having a little panic attack here. Oh god. What is this down here? Another triangle? Oh god. Alright. I keep finding these triangles. The more triangle I find, the more nervous, scared I get. Okay. Okay, V, just pull yourself together. You can do this. You need to get out of here. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna go to my backpack because good thing I always bring spy gear with me. Oh wait, I brought this with me. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is a spy device. You record a message onto this. You see here, I can record it, and this is a slingshot. So then I put it on here, sling it far away. I don't know how far it goes, probably up to 100 feet. Hopefully someone will find this. They can play my message, and then hopefully they can find me. So I'm gonna record this message. Hopefully Chad will find it, or just someone, and maybe they'll come and get me. This is Qwaint. I'm a YouTuber. I was at the sharer's house. I went 50 steps north, 30 steps east, and then I crossed the street into a building. I went into a living room that looks really old, and then I went down the basement, and now I'm here trapped inside of a prison. So if you find this message, please come and help me. I do not have any signal here, so please help me. I'm in danger. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so hopefully someone will find my message and come rescue me. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and continue exploring this prison. Whoa, it is really weird. There's so many things happening on this wall. This rainbow and sunlight. It's kind of ironic because it's completely pitch dark down here. Was someone trapped here before? And this is what they drew? Okay, let's see. What's this? I feel like I've seen some of these symbols before. This is in the letter M. That looks like a detonator. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's one up here too. It looks like a butt, and then this one looks like a window or something. I think that looks like a number 3 or something. Oh, I didn't even notice a number. Maybe the other one has a number too. This one, that might be number 1. Gosh, I'm like having a deja vu moment. Where have I seen these numbers? Comment down below if you've seen these numbers before and help me out. Just more weird stuff. This looks like it might be an arrow or a person. Wait a minute. What is this? It's another triangle. Is there a key? Is there a key in there maybe? No. I don't think so. I just keep that. Guys, I'm so scared. All right, what's here? There's a bunch of triangles on the wall. And look, it says, how many triangles do you see? Is this a clue? Is this a clue? Maybe this is how I get out of here. Yeah, I think so. Okay, all right, help me out. Let me know how many triangles you see. And I'm gonna try it and figure this out by myself too, but I need your guys' help. All right, so there's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this big number, this one, 10. Okay, 10. So there's 10 triangles, and then there's a number 1 here, and a number 3 there. Maybe that's the code. 1, 3, 1, 0. No, it didn't work. It almost felt like it was too good to be true. Yeah, maybe I didn't solve the triangle puzzle. How many triangles were there? Maybe I didn't do that correctly. I'm gonna look at your comments right now to see if you guys gave me any different numbers. So some of you are saying 13. Let me see. Oh yeah, there's this one, this big one. So that's 11. And then this one is 12. Huh, where? Oh, this one is 13. Thanks, you guys. I didn't even see like those other big triangles. All right, okay, so 13 is for sure. Thank you so much for helping me out. So maybe it's 1, 3, 1, 3. No, I'm actually getting really, really tired. I've been in here for like an hour just looking for clues and running from the Cher's house all the way to here. And then I haven't eaten anything yet all day. So let me see if there's anything that I can like make into a bed, because this table right here does not look comfortable. Wait a minute. It's another triangle. Oh gosh, each triangle I find, I feel like my energy just gets lowered like a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep this and let's see. I can't lay on this table. It's just too hard. So when I was looking for the keys, there's no keys underneath here. Obviously it was a trick, but I did find this little thing here. This looks like it's a bed or something. I'm gonna set that up so I can lay down a little bit. Since there's no pillows, I'm just going to use my backpack as a pillow. Just rest a little bit, just in case I need to save up my energy. Did you guys see anything? Is that the slingshot? Oh, maybe I got the message back. Okay, you guys, listen to it. I hope it's Chad.
I have trapped Chad. Good luck getting out on your own.
Oh no, is Chad okay? That was the hacker. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to get out of here right now. If Chad's trapped. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Oh gosh. There's another triangle here. When I was sleeping, I like woke up in the middle of the night and I felt something like the hairs on the back of my neck started standing up. And I was wondering because if it was this triangle or something. I don't know. Something weird happened. I'm just gonna keep this just in case. Maybe we can decode the hacker's voice somehow. Okay, we need more clues. Keep an eye out, keep an eye out. Oh, here's a clue. All right, let's see. This says 4 minus 7 equals 8. That's not a real math problem. What's this here? It's already open to this page. Oh my god. It's the same exact thing. It says take away 3 matchsticks to make the equation true. 4 minus 7 equals 8. Okay, you guys, if you know how to solve this riddle right here, leave a comment down below. 4 minus 7 equals 8. Which sticks should I remove? All right, so 4 minus 7 equals 8. Let's see, if I remove this, that would be 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 would equals 3. How do I make this into a 3? Take 3 match. Oh my gosh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Something hit me. Did you guys see anything? Okay, let's see. What is this? It's an 8-ball. Oh my gosh. You know, this is like a pool ball. Whenever there's an 8-ball, that means the game is ending soon, like you're about to win. So maybe I'm really close to solving this problem and then I can get out of here. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna end soon, you guys. 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. It's 3. I think this triangle thing's right here. I think that's definitely a clue. So I think 13 and then 3. So I think the combination's like 1, 3, 3. What other clues are there? Definitely triangle related. You know how we've been finding all these gold triangles lately? I wonder if the number of triangles have to do with anything. I think I have some more in my bag. So I have 1, 2, 3, 2 more. So 5. Okay, so I have 5. So maybe the combination is 1, 3, 3, 5. Let's try it out. Okay, all right, you guys. I have a really good feeling that's the code. Okay, let's try it out. Oh no, it didn't work. I have a really good feeling that the numbers are 1, 3, 3, blank. I don't know, the 5 didn't work, but I think that's the only number that I need to work on. I'm just gonna go ahead and try all the numbers to see which numbers actually work. Okay, so I'm gonna start from 0. So 0, that didn't work. 1, so 2, 3, 4. We already tried 5, so I'm gonna try 6. Oh my gosh, you guys, that worked! Let's get out of here! I'm gonna bring all these triangles and any clues that I found in here, I'm just gonna bring it with me. I'm gonna grab this note, see if I can decipher the handwriting or something. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, wait, I just got a text. I actually have signal now, you guys. It's Chad. He said, hey V, it's actually Chad now. Well, how do I know? I just got trapped in a prison. Okay, I'm gonna text back. Prove it. When did we get married? The month and day. Okay. Oh, here's the text. July 31st. It is Chad. It is Chad. Maybe he's free now. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm glad that this is a real Chad. Okay, he said to meet me at this location. Okay, all right, let's go meet Chad, you guys. I'm so excited that he's okay and I got out of the prison. And thank you so much to all of you who show up the first 60 minutes every time I post a new video. Make sure to subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad to see how this whole entire adventure goes. And check out this video with me and Chad if you haven't done so already. Follow me and Chad on both Instagram because we're gonna be needing a lot of your help. We're gonna be posting clues and all the things that we find on this crazy adventure to find the hacker. All right, now let's go meet Chad.